Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you on how to add the device, and after this we're going to root our device. Okay, so here you have to go to about phone, and then tap the MIUI version for upload 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You're now a developer, as you can see here. You see it, and then press go back, and then go to the additional settings. Okay, this one here, this is the additional settings, and then look for developer option here. Okay, so as you can see, the developer option, so here it's already enabled, and then OEM Unlocking, and then USB Debugging, it must be turned on, and then okay, and then let's check for the this device already is locked. As you can see, this device is locked. Okay, so we're going to add account now here. So add account, and make sure that alright, there you go, it's already added. Make sure that you already have enough data so that you can add here. If you're using a Wi-Fi, it will say turn off Wi-Fi, and then use the data. Alright, so it's now already added, so we're going to do the unlocking method.